What's swinging, gang? And yes, before you even ask, we definitely going back to the track today. It's not supposed to rain today, none of that other crazy stuff, so we definitely going to the track. But before we go to the track, I want to show you the rest of the parts that came in for the exhaust system for the X5, so y'all can see the full layout, and it's right here in front of me. And I'm gonna walk you guys through it right now. And there she is in all this beautiful glory. So if you guys didn't see this video before, I'm gonna leave the link for the video where I actually unbox this muffler and show you guys where to get these mandrel bend pipes from, so you don't get the pipe that crushes down bent on the regular machine, and you know it impedes exhaust flow. So anyways, that video gonna be in the description, but let's get to it. If you don't know, this is the Vibrant Performance muffler. I'm gonna put the part number right here because I don't know it offhand. I have the 2.5. Wait, matter of fact, let me jump back to this. It's 3-inch in, 2.5 out on each side, just like the factory X5 35i and X6 35i muffler. I have 2-inch mandrel bent exhaust tubing to go on each side. As you can see, that's bent all the way, no crush down. It's full diameter all the way through for maximum exhaust flow. And these are the new addition here, guys. Those are gorgeous. Double wall, staggered, just like they supposed to be, polished. And I got them on both sides. This is gonna be gorgeous. I can't wait to get it on. You know, the only thing I might have to do, or my fabricator have to do, my exhaust guy, is he might have to extend this piece here, because I think it's a little too short. It's not enough length on the elbows here. So he might have to bring it out a couple of inches, like weld another piece of pipe in here, like an adapter piece, 2-inch straight pipe, which won't take a lot and it won't look that bad. You know, just having like a little piece on each side like that, so it comes out even further, so it can match the rear of the X5. As you can see how wide it is. One exhaust pipe is over there and one is way over here, so it has to be a little wider, since the factory exhaust muffler is a lot longer than this exhaust muffler. This exhaust muffler is only 20 something inches, and that other one is all over 30, almost 40 something inches, I think. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this full kit and how it's gonna look before I get it put in. And I will be getting this put in hopefully on the next video, so you guys can hear it. And I'm gonna be doing on that same video, I'm gonna be doing a side-by-side before and after sound. Well, not side by side, but before and after sound of how it sounds now with the catless downpipe and factory muffler versus the catless downpipe and this beautiful muffler here set up. And like I told you guys, this is pretty much straight through. I'm gonna show you through. That's pretty much straight through, so this should definitely make a nice sound. A lot of people says that it's reminiscent of the M Performance muffler for the X5 and X6 without the $1,200 price tag, and I'm gonna put the link for a sound clip of that video also in the description. But anyways, let's get to this track to make sure this X5 doing the times that it's supposed to do. So I'm finna get ready, and the next thing you guys see finna be the track. Alright, gang, I'm about 30 minutes from the racetrack. We finally back at the racetrack, all the way since last year. Today the first day they opening back up, so you already know what time it is. Time to see if this car got its power back. Well, not if it got its power back, because I never knew if it had any power from the get-go. Like I said, I didn't know the car was slow until some of you good subscribers let me know in the comments that your cars is running faster than mine. And I'm gonna put those times up again right here, so you can see what some of the other subscribers ran, some of you other guys ran with. I think most of the cars that I got the times from were all-wheel drive cars. And like I say, my car is rear-wheel drive, but I don't think that's the problem. But we definitely got the charge pipe on. I'm finna put up the time, the fastest time I ran last time right here. And we finna see if we can beat that time, you know. And like I said, this time I'm shifting myself I'm not letting the transmission shift on its own. I'm not letting the computer shift, I meant, because the shifts are trash. Definitely. You know, it goes way out of the power band before it shifts. So I'm going to shift at around 5,500 RPM, you know, 54, 55, somewhere around there. You know, and man, damn all that talking. I'll see you guys on the track. All right, gang, we in the lanes. I guess I'm finna walk down to see what all we got out here. So got a Mustang, Super B, Corvette, Lambo. Man, that's a lot of forged carbon. Beautiful. Got a Hellcat here. Oh, there we go. There's that German engineer. It's not a turbo though. It's definitely a Porsche though. Got a Hellcat Red Eye. CTSV. Oh man, this is what I'm talking about right here. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Big tire Ranger. Hey, how you doing? Oh man, that is nice. Got nitrous 6-cylinder Mustang. We got the EcoBoost.
I don't have it since I don't have LSD, only one.
Couple more Beamers and another Hellcat, and that's it for the street cars so far. Got a lot of bikes out here too, but this is it for the street cars. And he got his fan to cool down that supercharger. And we got a Trailblazer here. And you guys already know the Pro Stock cars are just loud for no reason. Got a dragster over here. All right, gang, I'm going back to the car, getting ready to set up.
Oh, Mustang. All right, what is this? This is an Explorer again? Yeah, got the Explorer coming back and a much bigger SUV there on the right. Is that, can't tell what it is. We'll see in a little bit when we go through these staging lanes. I think it looks like a Mercedes. Or maybe a Those Explorers are, they're...
We finally in the 13s. 13.793 at 101 miles an hour. And I'm gonna tell you guys what happened. So I was so nervous trying to get a good run with this thing that I misshifted like 3 times. I let it go to like 6,500 RPM before I shifted. So this time, since I know the truck gotta be running right, I'm gonna be more confident up there when that light hit, and I'm gonna try to cut that light good, and I'm gonna try to shift at 54 to 5,500 RPM, and hopefully that we can pick up even lower time. So, but it's definitely going good. So let's get back on that track. All right, gang, I'm extremely happy right now, and I'm just gonna show you guys. Let me show you. So my first run, look at the reaction time on my first run, 0.802. Look at my reaction time on my second run, 0.171. I cut that light so nasty. Okay, and then go back down to the 60 foot. It was a 2.238. And this one is my 60 foot on this one wasn't as good. It was a 2.252, but look at the mile per hour. I did a 13.79 at 102.23, and this one was a 13.79 at 101. You know, so I picked up a whole mile per hour with shifting that. But I think I shifted. Let me turn this camera back around. I think I shifted a little too early. I was shifting at like 5,000 RPM instead of 54, 55 like I was supposed to. So, you know, I think I was dropping out of power. Who knows? But I'm just happy to be in the 13s. And it's not a super low 13. It's a 13.7. It ain't like it's a 13.9. So that's enough for me to go ahead and want to do the stage 2 pure turbo, upgraded fuel pump, you know, do the full works to it, gang. You know, so I'm definitely going to be continuing all the mods with the X5. So I was going to get another run in, but it's way too many cars here now. So I'm just going to bring the car back to the track when I get the exhaust done and see if we can pick up some more time. You know, because I'm finna do the free flow exhaust, the vibrant exhaust, and I'm gonna do a sound clip before and after for that. I already got the before and after. I'm at the before sounds, cold start, flybys and everything with the exhaust, the stock exhaust on here. So I'm gonna do the before and after with the vibrant exhaust muffler and bring it back to the track. So thank you guys very much for subscribing. You know, my loyal subscribers, you know, I'm extremely happy. Only if you knew how happy I was right now, I'm extremely happy, you know. So yeah, it's time to take the X5 to the next level. Auto Lust out.